Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So for as many people that are currently mining this CATS project, this is a trick I want to gist you. I know some might be aware, why some might not be aware. So you can see a lot of people have a very low amount of CAT, and that was what they got from the age of their account, their Telegram account. Do you get? So I was able to get like this amount because I was able to spend this small amount of tone as at the earlier time. But right now, for me to click on this make tone great again, we actually cost me 0.2 tones. Do you get? And that would be around maybe $1 or $1.5 thereabout. But I'm not ready to spend that amount. Do you get? So this is a very easy way for you to accumulate without spending. So now if you click on this watch our last updates, just as you have it here, you can see Meow, you can see watch our last update. So click on that Meow that you can see here, click on that. So what can you see? Share your cat pics. So insane plus 1000 cats do you get? So get bonus points when a cat is spotted in your photo across different phone categories. Spend your points to unlock new features and customize your avatar to reflect your unique style. You can see that right now. Okay, now let's get started. So what you're going to do is to click on avatar. You have it down here, just as you can see my arrow. Click on avatar. So once you click on avatar, what can you see? You can see this, right? So now click. So what will you do before you come here? Just go to your Chrome browser and then just search for cats, and then you can download any picture of cats. So do you get that? So that's what you do every day. Do you get that? So you get that every day. So just make sure you are selecting different pictures of cats every day. And if you also have a cat, then that's cool. Just keep snapping your cats and different backgrounds every day. Do you get that? So now I've already saved this image, so I'm going to go back to the cats bot. So now I'm going to click on this icon, just as I said earlier. So you click on that icon. So once you click on that, okay, this is for you to actually save the image. Do you get that? So now click on upgrade cards. Click on upgrade cards. So what are you going to see here? So once you click on upgrade cards, you are going to see this. So now you can see snap and share your cat photos daily. Get rewarded when our system detects a cat in your photo, and use your endpoints to level up your avatar and make it uniquely yours. So now let's click on tap to upload cat. So tap to upload cat. So now you can select the image you've downloaded or you've snapped if you have cats around you. So now the AI is cooking. So my reward is 450 cats. So you can see it's reading all the points for me that I was able to generate from the image that was uploaded. Do you get that? So you're done. It's been added to your score. So you can see wait 23 hours. So you have to wait till the countdown, and after the countdown you can also get to snap your cat again and upload the picture, or you download the picture wherever you want to get that. So that's how you can keep on adding more points to yourself. Do you get that? Instead of just having to just stop doing the cards of the thing, because there's no tax for you to claim, there's no daily check-in for you to accumulate. So this is what you can actually use to gain much more points. Do you get that? So let me just click on home and let's see what I've got. So you can see now I'm now having 11,179 cards. Do you get that? So but if you have money, you can actually get to do this daily tax of make tone great again. Do you get that? So just click on it and you pay 0.2 tons with a little fees, and then you are good to go for the day. Do you get that? All right, this is FinTech Space. Please like this video, share with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. All right, until next time, bye for now.